Peel and dice your potatoes into a uniform size. Cover with cold salted water and simmer on low until the potatoes are tender. Place a ricer or food mill with the smallest attachment on top of a bowl and rice all of the potatoes. You'll end up with a bowl of smooth potatoes. Create a volcano-like well with the potatoes. Add the eggs to the center and dust the outside with 1 cup of flour, the cheese, and some kosher salt. Use a fork to gently stir the eggs, taking some of the flour from the sides of the well to turn that egg mixture into a paste. Using your hands, begin to incorporate the paste into the rest of the mixture, scooping the flour from the outsides. You will feel the dough beginning to come together into a ball. Continue scraping the outsides of the flour until all that flour is incorporated. Knead gently a few times until it comes together in a light, almost billowy mass and is moist but not tacky. Gently press your fingertip into the dough. It should bounce back slightly. If it doesn't, go ahead and knead in a little bit more flour, just a spoonful at a time. Be sure not to add too much flour or over-knead your dough. Gently press your fingertip into the dough. It should bounce back slightly. Roll the dough into a log shape and then divide into 10 equal portions. Lightly flour your work surface again. Set 1 dough portion on it. Using your palms and working from the center of the dough to the outside, roll the dough into a uniform log about 1 inch in diameter. Cut the rolled out log into 1 inch in diameter pieces. Before rolling out the rest of the dough, bring a small pot of salted water to a boil and go ahead and test a few of the gnocchi you've just rolled. You're going to cook them for about 3.5 minutes at a low boil so they have the opportunity to simmer and come to the top. Remove from the water and taste the gnocchi. They should be flavorful, light, and fluffy. If they're cooked through properly, the center will look like there's tiny little pinholes poked in them. If you're satisfied with the flavor of the gnocchi, go ahead and roll out the rest of your dough, putting the gnocchi on a lightly floured sheet pan. You can freeze them directly on this sheet pan or refrigerate them for up to 2 or 3 hours before eating.